Bright Home Appliances brings you the Phantom Mixer Grinder. It handles all your kitchen tasks effortlessly, from grinding to blending. Built with an unbreakable ABS body with a strong 800-watt motor and 3-speed control modes, ensures smooth, low-noise performance, comes with power load button for smooth working now. Take a look at the premium stainless steel jars. First, the chutney jar small jar. This compact jar is perfect for preparing fresh chutneys, pastes, garlic, ginger, and small quantity grinding. It comes with a secure, high-quality lid that prevents leakage and ensures safe, smooth daily use. Ideal for quick preparations and enhancing your meals with fresh flavors. Second, the dry jar masala khada masala jar. The dry grinding jar is specially designed for grinding whole spices, khada masala, and other dry ingredients. Whether it's daily masala preparation or grinding spices in bulk, this jar delivers consistent texture and powerful performance every time. Third, the liquid jar multipurpose jar. This multipurpose liquid jar is perfect for making juices, batters, shakes, lassi, and more. Its advanced design ensures smooth blending and a uniform consistency, making it ideal for both everyday use and special recipes. And now, the fourth jar, the juicer jar. Meet your dedicated juicer jar, designed for fresh and healthy living. It delivers smooth blending and comes with a smart built-in filter that efficiently separates pulp, allowing you to enjoy clean, fresh, and pulp-free juice instantly. Perfect for preparing nutritious juices for your daily routine. With all these powerful features and versatile jars, the Phantom Mixer Grinder becomes your complete kitchen companion. Backed by a 2-year motor warranty, it offers reliability and peace of mind you can truly trust. Phantom 800 watts mixer grinder, powerful, durable, and thoughtfully designed for all your everyday kitchen needs. Bright Home Appliances. Be right. By Bright.